Hello everyone, I welcome to all of you to official YouTube channel of Noble Crew Tutors. Let us begin our new lecture with a new topic that is electric field. Electric field सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन आता है कि ये इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड वाला कंसेप्ट इंट्रोड्यूस क्यों किया गया, राइट? कंसीडर अ पॉइंट चार्ज कैपिटल Q is placed at origin in vacuum. Now another point charge, say small q, is placed at point P such that distance between origin and point P is say R. Now using Coulomb's law I can calculate the force between the two charges. Say if this charge is removed, if this charge is removed, then nothing is there. Say charge is removed, no force is there. But how this force come into existence? सबसे पहला इंपॉर्टेंट वर्ड यही है कि इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड का कंसेप्ट इंट्रोड्यूस क्यों किया गया. यही क्वेश्चन आया कि अगर यहाँ पर चार्ज नहीं होता तो यहाँ पर फोर्स नहीं है, बट जैसे ही मैं कोई चार्ज लेके आता हूं तो एक ही दम फोर्स कैसे आ जाती है. सो इन ऑर्डर टू आंसर दिस क्वेश्चन इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड कंसेप्ट इज इंट्रोड्यूस्ड. इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इज सेम एज दैट ऑफ फोर्स. बस एक छोटा सा फर्क दोनों में क्या है, electric field is always present, that is electric field is always present in surrounding due to charge capital Q. अगर हमने एक ओरिजिन पे चार्ज प्लेस कर दिया है तो उसकी वजह से इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड तो ऑलवेज प्रेजेंट ही होती है. सो व्हेन अ स्मॉल चार्ज Q is placed at a point P such that the distance between two it say R, then a new force comes into existence that is given by Coulomb's law. So when a small charge Q is placed at point P, then due to this field a force acts on small q, that is charge. So electric field can be written as force per unit charge. So by definition electric field is force acting on a unit positive charge when placed at point say P. So मतलब अगर आपके पास कोई भी चार्ज आपने अगर प्लेस कर दिया है say at origin in vacuum, तो उस चार्ज की वजह से इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड तो सराउंडिंग में पहले ही आ गई है. अब जब आप कोई नया चार्ज इंट्रोड्यूस कर रहे हो तो उसके ऊपर उस फील्ड की वजह से एक फोर्स एक्सर्ट होती है. दिस फोर्स हम यूजिंग कूलम्स लॉ कैलकुलेट करते हैं. So I can write force equals to electric field provided कि हम जो एक चार्ज मान रहे हैं वो क्या है, यूनिट पॉजिटिव चार्ज. सो जितने भी हम क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे अभी कि किसी भी पॉइंट के ऊपर से एट एनी पॉइंट P हमें ड्यू टू चार्ज capital Q, it is placed at origin. Say, let us say they are saying कि calculate force on point P, or they can say calculate force on point say R, then we will assume that a unit positive charge is present at that particular point, and we will be solving the equation using the formula, that is electric field can be written as K capital Q upon R square. Same as that of force, except one thing that you can notice here is that a unit positive charge I am not writing here. So we can write electric field due to a point charge say capital Q is equals to K capital Q upon R square. Now for positive charge, direction of electric field is radially outward, and for negative charge, direction of electric field is radially inward. So taking plus Q charge, I can write electric field as radially outward in all directions, and for negative charge, electric field will be radially inward. Next, let us say electric field due to system of charges. So electric field, say Q1, Q2, so on up to Qn charges are given, and their distance from origin is R1, so on up to Rn respectively. In order to calculate field at point capital P due to n charges will be equal to, that is, say with respect to origin, charge 1, charge 2, charge 3, so on up to charge n, and this is my point P. Here we need to calculate field at due to all the charges, they are due to system of charges, then their respective distance will be R1P, R2P, R3P, so on up to Rnp. So in order to calculate electric field at point P due to system of charges, we assume unit positive charge is placed at point P. Now again, if we assume that unit positive charge is placed at point P, then using Coulomb's law, force between Q1 and a unit positive charge can be calculated. Similarly, force between point charge Q2 and unit positive charge will be calculated, so on up to we can calculate for nth charge. So I can write it as electric field at point P due to 1 will be in vector form K Q1 upon R1P square R1P cap. Similarly, field at point 2 due to 2 K Q2 R2P square R2P cap. So on, electric field at P due to nth charge KQN RNP square RNP cap. So again, as we calculated force using superposition principle, we calculated total force at point P. In this similar way, to calculate total electric field at point P due to system of charges, using superposition principle, I can write net electric field at point P as sum of all the charges electric field due to all the charges at point P. So I can write it as K Q I upon R I P square, that is I1 to N net electric field R I P unit vector. For example, say 2-point charges, that is, say it is 1 coulomb plus 1 coulomb and minus 1 coulomb separated by a distance that is 1 meter, and we need to calculate electric field at point say A and electric field at point B. Say this distance is 0.5 meter and this distance is also 0.5 meter. So again, as we have already said, to calculate electric field at point A, due to say it has Q1, it has Q2, assume a unit positive charge. Assume a unit positive charge. Now पॉजिटिव चार्ज पॉजिटिव को रिपेल करेगा, सो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड एट ए ड्यू टू 1 विल बी इन दिस डायरेक्शन, दैट इज K Q1 अपॉन R1 स्क्वायर R1 कैप. इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड एट पॉइंट A ड्यू टू 2. नाउ अज्यूमिंग यूनिट पॉजिटिव चार्ज, अ नेगेटिव चार्ज पॉजिटिव को अट्रैक्ट करेगा, सो आई विल बी गेटिंग electric field at A due to 2 will be in the same direction, that is K Q2 upon R2 square R2 cap. So net electric field at point A will be K Q1 R1 square plus K Q2 R2 square, and their direction will be toward right. As the two electric fields are in the same direction and the resultant angle between the two is 0 degree, so I am adding them directly, that is 9 into 10 raised to power 9 into, that is Q1 1 upon 0.5 square plus 9 into 10 raised to power 9 into 1 upon 0.5 square. So simplifying, we get it as 9 into 10 raised to power 9 into 2 times upon 5 by 10 square, that can be written as 1 by 2 square, that can be written as 1 into 4, that is 4 to the 8, 72 into 10 raised to power 9. So electric field unit, that is Newton per coulomb. So now to calculate electric field at point B, assuming unit positive charge at point B, so electric field due to charge 1 positive को repel करेगा, so it will be along toward left and negative positive will be attracted, so it will be toward right, and the distance between 1 and point B is 0.5 and distance between 2 and B is 1.5. so net electric field due to at point B due to 1 will be K Q1 upon 0.5 square, and electric field at point B due to 2 will be K Q2 upon 1.5 square. Now again, one is toward left hand side and one is toward right hand side, angle between the two is 0, so net will be E1 minus E2 toward left. Yes, thank you guys. Hopefully you are enjoying our video. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel, and we will be waiting for your valuable feedback in our comment section. Again, thanks to all of you.